Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you some tips on how to increase your Wi-Fi connection using your iPhone. So I have here, I have searched for more information for you to do so that you'll be able to achieve your goal. First is to restart your router. This is an overlooked measure, but restarting the router can even improve iPhone Wi-Fi performance, particularly if other devices are experiencing issues. So that is for number one. You can play around your router positioning. Indoors, the typical Wi-Fi signal has a range at about 150 feet. The longer the distance between your iPhone and the router, the weaker the signal. So try repositioning your router. First, you take off or place your iPhone case. The majority of materials used to make phone cases do not obstruct or interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Some, however, can this usually metal cases. So you can take off or replace your iPhone case. Next is to limit network heavy activities. Wi-Fi speeds can be slowed by download, streaming, and some games. Check what's using your bandwidth to see if there are any culprits. Okay, so you can just limit network heavy activities so that you don't have any problem with your Wi-Fi connections. For tip number 5, you just have to keep your iOS up to date. Your Wi-Fi connectivity could be hampered if your device's software is out of date. Updates to iOS repair bugs and increase overall iPhone operability, including network stability. Okay, and for our last tip is to remove the Wi-Fi network and re-add it. When you forget a network, it deletes the password and all other network data from your iPhone. This can assist in resolving issues with unique network connections. So remember that if you lose password to a network, you'll need to reconnect it. So that's some of the tips that you can do to solve your problem. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.